So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some last minute suggestion for an interview. What are the things that we can do and what are the things that we should not do in an interview. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनका हम लोग को ख्याल रखना पड़ता है कि हम willingly और unwillingly वो चीज़ ना करें जो कि ज़रूरी नहीं है. सबसे पहला चीज़, do not get overstressed. Yes, do not get overstressed because this is an interview and there are some process for an interview which you have already been prepared. You should understand the things that you are also important to the organization and the job is also important to you. So this is a both way profit. It is not like that it is a one way profit, and if you are not going to be selected for an interview, this is the end of the world. That is not like that. You have to give your best. Yes, but do not get overstressed for that. In the introduction level, you should not use hi, hello, myself, this kind of words in front of an interviewer. You should always obey them by saying good morning, good afternoon, or if it is evening, then good evening, sir. You should represent yourself as a confident person. Your body posture should be straight. Eye to eye contact is must in an interview. So do not get stressed if you do not know an answer of a question. You should say it politely to the interviewer that sir or madam, sorry sir, I don't know the answer. It will not create a bad impact. They also have the idea that सबको सब कुछ नहीं पता है. So you should not get stressed for that. So you always maintain the decorum of the interview. The preparation you have taken, you have to be prepared more and more for the interview, and you have to give your best. You have to be confident, you have to feel much more relaxed during the interview, and always maintain, I always repeat that, always maintain the eye to eye contact with the interviewer. वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो कि एक इंटरव्यूअर जो इंटरव्यू दे रहा है उनमें देखना चाहता है. What are those things that an interviewer look for? So there are some multiple things. Most important thing they are looking for is the capability of handling some situation by the candidate. How a candidate handles a situation. So आपको एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. जब मैं बहुत साल पहले एक कंपनी में काम करता था और कंपनी के एमडी वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था, और मेरा जो पोजीशन था वो पूल होने वाला था, मतलब कि सेम पोजीशन में दूसरा बंदा एक और काम करने वाला था. सो द एमडी ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज प्रेजेंट ओवर देयर एंड दे हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इंटरव्यू. सो by the grace of God I have done some good work, and he asked me, means my MD, he has asked me to join the interview board. So I first of all I said no, that sir I cannot join this board, I am not designated for this position. So to be very frank sir, I cannot be present here. This is your part and you can take the interview. So then he asked me that I am saying to you, I am commanding you that you should be present here. After the interview is over, I asked them, sir, what are the qualities that you have evolved in the candidate, the person who got selected? Then he said, to be very frank, we do not want the person to be very much good in communication, very much enthusiastic, or very much skilled. What we are looking for, the capability, how he handles a situation. It was correct because the person who was the candidate, he has some situation, they have given some situation to him, and they are observing that how he handles the situation. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you, that the interviewers are looking for the capability of that the person, how a person handles a situation. So you must keep in mind, you must keep your nerves cool or calm during the process. If you are experienced candidate, you should share your achievements, not all your achievements, the recent achievements you have done. If it is required, then you can share the previous achievements also. You must present yourself that you are going to be very much beneficial for the organization. You must have some leadership quality, but you should not do something alone. You must be a team leader, you must be a team player also. You should always go with your team, not individually. And after the interview, you must ask to the interviewers that, sir, when I am going to get the confirmation from your side? Is it going to be via mail or are you going to call me? May I get the confirmation, sir? So you should ask that. Again and again, I am saying do not get overstressed for an interview, because it is just an interview. The opportunities are huge. You must give you 100%. If after giving you 100% it goes wrong way, you should not worry. There are some opportunities, there are many opportunities awaiting for you. Prepare and give your best. Thank you.